Do you dream of making your bike look like it's ready to hit the racetrack or turn heads on the highway without draining your wallet? You're in the right place. Today we're going over 14 affordable mods that can transform your motorcycle's appearance and functionality, giving you that pro-level vibe. And trust me, you won't want to miss number 10. It's a total game changer you didn't know you needed. Let's dive right in. 1. Handlebar Upgrades.
Handlebars are probably one of the more common upgrades that riders like to make to the machines.
One of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make is upgrading your handlebars. Pro riders know the importance of control and comfort. By swapping out your stock grips for ergonomic ones or adding bar ends, you'll immediately notice better handling and a more premium feel. Handlebars are one of the most tactile parts of the bike. It's the direct interface between the rider and the bike. If you're someone who enjoys long rides, the comfort of ergonomic grips will reduce strain on your hands and wrists. Bar ends, on the other hand, add more control while giving your bike a sleek, sportier look. If you're into a more aggressive or sportier aesthetic, consider adding risers to change the position of your handlebars. This doesn't just enhance aesthetics, but also improves posture, especially on long rides. A stylish handlebar upgrade can be done for as little as $20, making this a must-try mod for any budget-conscious rider. A small change here can make a huge difference in comfort and performance. 2. Lighting enhancements.
In my opinion, this is one of the best bang-for-buck upgrades. They look good and they really work. You can see better and people can see you better.
Lighting mods are where functionality meets style. Consider upgrading your bike's headlight to a high-performance LED option. LED lights are brighter, more energy efficient, and have a longer lifespan compared to traditional halogen bulbs. Not only do they provide better illumination for night riding, but they also make you more visible to other drivers, which can be crucial for safety. For extra flair, you can install accent lighting around your bike. These LED strips highlight the contours of your ride, giving it a custom, futuristic look. Kits start as low as $30, and installation is usually straightforward. LED lighting gives your bike a whole new personality. It's an affordable way to enhance both style and safety. 3-dot paint and decals. Want your bike to stand out in a crowd? A fresh paint job or custom decals can make your ride look like it's straight out of a pro's garage. Vinyl wraps are a popular choice because they're affordable, easy to install, and reversible. You can experiment with bold colors, matte finishes, or even carbon fiber textures without committing to a permanent change. If you're feeling artistic, a DIY paint kit can give your bike a unique, personalized look. Just make sure to prep your surfaces properly and use high-quality spray paint for the best results. Decals are another inexpensive option, starting at just $10. Combine a few of these ideas and you'll have a custom look that screams pro rider. Plus, customizing your bike's paint or decals is an expression of your personality. It's the one mod where you have total creative freedom. 4. Seat modifications. A comfortable and stylish seat is one of the most underrated motorcycle upgrades. By swapping out your stock seat cover for a custom one, you can instantly elevate your bike's appearance, giving your bike a luxurious feel. For an even more premium touch, consider custom embroidery or stitching. A unique, high-quality seat can set your bike apart from the pack, adding that extra element of style. Seat mods start at $25, making them a budget-friendly way to enhance both style and comfort. Whether you're cruising around town or taking longer journeys, a good seat can make a world of difference. 5. Tank pads and grips.
Grips are an affordable upgrade that can really help with motorcycle control and comfort.
Tank pads are an easy and affordable way to give your bike a professional look while also protecting it from wear and tear. These pads prevent scratches from zippers and belts, and they're available in a variety of designs to suit your style. Side grips, on the other hand, improve your control during aggressive cornering or braking. They're especially useful for sport bike riders who want that extra bit of grip. Tank pads and grips often start at just $15, making them an essential and inexpensive mod. They add style, improve grip, and protect your bike from everyday damage. 6. Bar end mirrors. If you want to add a sleek, modern touch to your bike, consider upgrading to bar end mirrors. These minimalistic alternatives not only improve rear visibility, but also give your bike a cleaner, more streamlined look. Bar end mirrors are particularly popular among cafe racer and street fighter enthusiasts. They are easy to install and provide a great blend of form and function. Plus, the improved aerodynamics and visibility are a huge plus when you're cruising down the highway or weaving through traffic. Prices start at just $20, making them an affordable mod that combines style and practicality. 7. Tire lettering kits. Tire lettering kits are a fantastic way to give your bike a sporty, high-end appearance. Whether you opt for pre-made decals or customizable lettering, this mod allows you to add a personal touch to your wheels. Applying tire lettering is a straightforward process, and the results can dramatically change your bike's overall vibe. It's one of those mods that not only enhances your bike's looks, but also shows attention to detail. Kits start at $15. It's all about the details, and tire lettering offers a small but striking change that adds to the overall aesthetic. 8. Aftermarket exhaust tips. A full exhaust system upgrade can be expensive, but you can achieve a similar effect by swapping out your stock exhaust tip. Aftermarket tips come in various styles, from sleek chrome to aggressive carbon fiber finishes. This mod doesn't just improve the aesthetics of your bike, it also enhances the sound, giving you a deeper, more satisfying tone. If you love that rumbling growl that comes with a high-performance exhaust, this is an affordable and easy way to get that effect. Starting at $40, aftermarket exhaust tips are a budget-friendly way to make your bike look and sound like a pro's ride. 9. Sliders. Frame sliders serve a dual purpose. They protect your bike in the event of a fall and add a race-ready aesthetic. These small, durable pieces are installed on key points of your frame to absorb impact and prevent damage. Even if you never plan to take your bike to the track, frame sliders give it a professional, performance-oriented look. They're designed to be lightweight yet durable, absorbing impact without adding unnecessary bulk. Starting at $50, they're a practical and stylish investment. Not only do they help prevent damage during minor spills, but they also enhance your bike's overall appearance. 10. Phone mount with charger.
Need a bit of navigational assistance, control of your music, or you're just waiting for an important call?
A phone mount with an integrated charger is a game-changing mod that combines convenience and functionality. Whether you're using your phone for navigation, music, or tracking your ride stats, having it securely mounted and charged is a huge plus. Look for mounts that are sturdy, waterproof, and easy to install. This mod is incredibly useful for riders who like to use their phone as a GPS or want to track their performance while riding. With prices starting at just $20, it's an affordable upgrade that enhances your riding experience. This is the type of mod you didn't know you needed but won't ever want to ride without. Fender Eliminator kits. Bulky stock fenders can make even the most stylish bike look outdated. Fender Eliminator kits clean up the rear end of your bike, giving it a sharper, more aggressive profile. This mod is particularly popular among sport bike riders who want a race-inspired look. Most kits include an integrated license plate holder and start at $40, making it a cost-effective way to transform your bike's aesthetics. It's a quick, simple mod that instantly elevates your bike's appearance, giving it that pro rider edge. 12. Colored brake and clutch levers. Brake and clutch levers are often overlooked when it comes to customization, but upgrading them can make a significant difference. Adjustable colored levers not only improve ergonomics, but also add a pop of personality to your handlebars. Choose colors that complement your bike's overall theme for a cohesive look. These levers offer a functional upgrade while also contributing to your bike's aesthetic. Starting at $30, this mod is an easy way to add both style and function. Whether you go for vibrant colors or subtle shades, colored levers bring a bit of flair to your ride. 13. Underbody LED Lighting. If you want to make your bike stand out, underbody LED lighting is the way to go. These customizable kits allow you to choose from a variety of colors and effects, including strobe and fade modes. Underbody LEDs are perfect for night rides, adding a striking glow that highlights your bike's contours. Kits start at $25 and typically include a remote control for easy customization. This mod gives your bike a futuristic vibe and ensures that you're always visible on the road, no matter the time of day. 14. Custom Windscreen. A custom windscreen is the cherry on top of a pro-level bike. This mod enhances your bike's aerodynamics and style. Look for high-quality materials like polycarbonate for durability and clarity. A custom windscreen also reduces wind drag and provides better protection for your face, especially during high-speed riding. Starting at $50, a custom windscreen is a worthwhile investment for riders who want to make a statement. So there you have it, 14 affordable mods that can make your bike look and feel like it belongs to a pro rider. From lighting enhancements and custom windscreens to ergonomic upgrades and stylish accents, these mods prove that you don't need a huge budget to make a big impact. Which of these mods are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest motorcycle tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and ride safe!